We're out here in our yard today. We're going to talk about green egg laying chickens. We've talked about the blue egg layers, which are beautiful and awesome and amazing. These two whiting true blues are awesome. They have been rock solid and continue to be rock solid. But let's talk about a green egg layer. These green egg layers, like this one right here, this is an Easter egger from My Pet Chicken. This is another one. This is not a green egg layer. Are you, Tootie? Nope. And here's the other green egg layer from My Pet Chicken. Right here. Both of them are Easter eggers, okay? While they look totally different, they are the same, breed. That's one of the things that's really cool about the Easter eggers is that, like the whiting true blues, their feather pattern is not consistent, which is why they're not considered an actual heritage breed, okay? But they do breed true. Whiting true blues will breed true, and Easter eggers will also breed true, okay? So you will most likely get a green egg layer from an Easter egger. On a random occasion, you might get a blue egg layer because of the mix that they are. But most of them are going to be green egg layers, and they will breed true. So if you have an Easter egger rooster and an Easter egger hen, you will still get an Easter egger offspring, okay? And now some will be bearded, just like Maggie is right here, and some will be not bearded, just like Madeline is right here. They're awesome chickens, and they are both 5 years old from My Pet Chicken, okay? Look at them, good foragers, very friendly. Aren't you, Maggie? They've been rock solid for 5 years now. Here we are, December 2nd today, and Maggie has already been through her molt and is laying some eggs again. Maggie has been one of our only chickens to lay consistently in December. We've had, over the course of the years, we've had very few chickens lay in December here in Southwest Ohio. But Maggie and the other Easter egger, Madeline, have been two that have laid eggs in December. Now, not a whole lot of eggs, but they have laid some eggs in December. And the only other two chickens we've had to lay have been in December have been New Hampshires of the same age from My Pet Chicken. So that's an interesting side note there. But one thing about these Easter eggers is that they have been extraordinarily easy to work with. Very low maintenance chicken. Maggie's actually never had an issue, okay? Never had one single problem with her feet, with impacted crop, nothing of that nature. Super rock solid, never any problems. Madeline, on the other hand, right here, she's a little miracle chicken. She's a little crazy, she's beautiful, but she's lucky to be alive today. Aren't you, Maddie? Ain't you crazy? Run away, Maggie, or Madeline. Earlier in the year, Madeline had what I presume to be what some people can call water belly. I'm not 100% certain, but we thought she was going to be dead. Plain and simple, that there was no fixing what was going on with her. She had something in her crop. If you're not aware, crop is where their food goes and is stored and is broken down by gravel and rocks and sharp objects to then be digested, okay? Madeline's crop had been just full of liquid. I don't know if it's infection or just water or what was going on, and you may find it strange, but when that happens, when they're having trouble with their crop, they actually lose their balance and have trouble walking or standing up, however bad it is. And so Madeline actually couldn't hardly walk, couldn't stand up. She tried to run and would collapse over. Her comb got super pale and purple, or actually got super purple. So that's a sign that she may not be getting oxygen that she needs. And she actually we thought was going to be dead. I am plain and simple. I thought she was going to die the next morning, overnight by the next morning. And look, she's still alive, and maybe healthier than she's ever been. I'm not sure. But so Angela, we fixed that one. That's another story. But Angela worked really hard and was very tedious with her and did the right thing. She got her taken care of. But Madeline, again, that's how hardy these Easter eggers are, that she was able to make it through something of that nature. Now look, they both lay beautiful green eggs. Madeline has never laid a large egg, okay? She's always laid medium eggs, medium to small eggs when she was younger, small. But Maggie, on the other hand, the bearded one, she's always laid consistently large eggs, probably laid an extra large egg here and there, but laid consistently large eggs, pretty consistent size and pretty consistent amount. Here she is, 5 years old. So that's her third flock. So let's see, they were hatched. So the first ones got 2015, then 2017. So they're hatched 2019. April 2019 was when they were hatched, and they've been just rock solid, consistent layers. Not great, not bad, good. Just really good layers. And I don't personally believe they've ever had any slowdown. I think here they are in their 5th year of laying, and they might lay less now than they did in their 1st year. Okay, that's true. But 2nd, 3rd, 4th year, I think they've been pretty consistent. They may have laid a little bit less, but man, they've been really rock solid to laying 5 eggs a week, or 5 or 6 eggs a week for 3 straight years now at least. And they may slow down a little bit here in this age, and that's awesome. That's a great chicken to lay, 5 or 6 eggs a week in their 5th year laying. They're really good. That's one thing about them, is that they have been outstanding chickens. That, again, low maintenance, handle the heat, handle the cold well. They forage well. They're super friendly. They get along with every other chicken. They're not aggressive. They're not passive. They stand up for themselves. They're really active. Great foragers. Because they had that little small pea comb, they handle the cold well. Because they're not a huge chicken, they handle the heat well. They're a fantastic choice for a backyard flock. And if you're looking for that green egg layer, the beautiful green eggs, they're not going to be olive. It's not an olive egger. Okay, Maggie's eggs are close to an olive color when she first starts laying in the season, but they're just a green egg. And like with any colored egg layer, the color does fade as the season goes on. Maggie's color does not fade that much. It's still pretty nice and green, and they're a fantastic option. Again, we got these from My Pet Chicken. Not everybody has Easter eggers. Some places have something else they call, whatever it may be. We are getting another kind of green egg layer in the spring from McMurray called Whiting True Green. So we can't tell you these are better than Whiting True Greens. We don't know. We've never had Whiting True Green. But what I can tell you is if you're looking for a green egg layer, they are a great option and a wonderful backyard bird. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. My name is Jason. This is Art of Creation Homestead. We love y'all. God bless you and goodbye.